one of the many confusing things about Facebook Ads Manager is this thing called business settings, which you can get to when you get to Facebook Ads Manager. You might click on the menu and then find business settings here, or of course, confusingly, it's also down here. Anyway, once you click on it, you'll land on this place called business settings. I just clicked on it one more time, but I was already there. And then in the business settings, what's confusing is that when you click on the drop-down menu, you will probably find yourself under business accounts. There's one there. And then there's also your account. It's like, what the heck is the difference? All right, well, let me explain if I can. The business account, think of it as a connector of the assets in your Facebook Business Manager. The assets include your team members, if you have people managing your advertising account. So that's an asset. Another asset is your Facebook business page. Another asset is your Instagram account, if any. Another asset is your Facebook pixel. And then there are other assets that I don't often use. Anyway, so the business account is a connector of assets, and you should go in there and try to connect everything as possible. Especially, like I said, pages, ad accounts, connect that, Instagram accounts, and your pixel, and any custom conversions. So connect those, which we'll talk about in separate videos. And then your other one, your personal account, if you just go ahead and click on that, what happens is it just brings you directly to your ads manager, which is where you run ads. And this is where I run ads. I run ads in my personal ad account. My personal ad account has been connected to my business account, which I explained earlier. Your business account is the connector of all things. So I hope this clarifies a bit. Again, practical purposes, you just have to set up your business account as being connected to the various things I just mentioned. And then in daily use, you just use your personal account, quote unquote, your ad account. All right. I hope this helps.